Hi, my name is Nick. I'm very excited to welcome you to GPS Renting, the ultimate worry-free and preventive property management solution. If you are a property owner or a landlord, likely you do, you know that it could be a very rewarding and also overwhelming experience. That's why our team is here to help you to minimize the risk and maximize your long-term return. Let's start by sharing some history of ourselves. GPS Renting was founded in 2017 by myself and my husband Brian. Our journey in real estate started much earlier. Since 2010, we have been investing and managing properties, learning firsthand what it takes to succeed as landlords. This company is like our fourth child. It grew together with our three daughters who were born in 2015 and 2017. Over the years, we expanded to manage over 590 properties across the Puget Sound region, and we always stay true to our core value: professional, honest, and kind. Beyond property management, we have a larger mission: giving back. Our goal is to become a major donor for 100 orphanages around the world, helping children in need while building a business that truly makes a difference. Being a landlord isn't just about collecting rent. It comes with challenges, some of them big enough to keep up at night. You have to screen tenants thoroughly, handle maintenance requests timely, navigate legal and compliance risk, and be prepared for very unexpected emergencies. And even if you do everything right, things can still go wrong. We have experienced all of those. A water heater went out in the most inconvenient time while I was watching Moana with my daughters, and the sewer back up while we were having a play date with their friends. That's where GPS Renting come in. We take the stress out of property ownership by handling these challenges for you, proactively and professionally. Before we dive deeper to share how we can help you with these challenges, here's a simple test to see how well you equipped to understand the landlord-tenant law. There are 11 simple multiple-choice questions. The answers are at the bottom of the page, don't peek. I always joke that if you're 100% correct, you should become a property manager. However, if you miss more than 2, well, you probably need a property manager. After doing the test, now let's go to talk about what do we offer. We at GPS Renting take care of everything, so you don't have to worry. Here's how we help you to protect your investment and maximize your long-term return. First, we find reliable and long-term tenants. We carefully screen every applicant, approving only 10.2 to ensure that they meet our high standard for financial stability and rental history, all while following the fair housing law. Second, we protect your property and prevent damage. We do thoroughly inspections and move in, move out, and during the lease to keep your property in top shape. Third, stay compliant and avoid legal issues. We work with top landlord-tenant attorneys in Washington State to make sure you protect yourself and follow all the legal requirements. Fourth, proactive maintenance to save you money. Instead of just fixing the problems when they happen, we're really focusing on preventing them, reducing long-term repair costs, and preserving your property's value. Last but not least, 24/7 emergency response, which is my favorite. No matter the time or situation, we're always on call to handle emergencies and keep your property safe. So why GPS Renting? That's because we don't just talk about our great services, we actually guarantee it. That's why we offer the following 7 guarantees. Let's go through together. The first one is rent payment guarantee. If your tenant don't pay rent, you don't need to pay us. Second, price match guarantee. If you find a lower fee from another property management company, we will match it. Third, prompt service guarantee. Your rent receipts are sent within 10 business days we receive it, or you don't need to pay our management fee. Fourth, response guarantee. We answer your call, your text, or email within 48 business hours, or we will credit your account. 5. Satisfaction guarantee. For new owners to our GPS renting family, you're not happy in the first 60 days? Cancel anytime. 6 and 7. Eviction protection guarantee. We will cover to $1,000 in eviction cost if we place a tenant. And then 7 is, if we place a tenant who stopped paying, we will cover the 30 days of rent. Simply put, we succeed when you succeed. I just want to mention one thing. It's 6 and 7. They are part of the owner benefit package that you can choose, which we'll cover later. Professional, honest, and kind is our motto that drives every single day our every single action. Our clients love working with us. On average, we receive 1 5-star Google review every single business day. But don't take our words for it. You can see our landlord and tenants what they have to say by clicking the link right here on the screen. At GPS Renting, we offer 2 flexible options to fit your needs: lease only and full service management. First of all, you manage, we find a tenant, which is lease only. If you're comfortable managing your own property but want a high quality, thoroughly screened tenants, our lease-only service is a perfect solution. We handle marketing, showing, rigorous screening, and lease signing and move-in, so you can start with confidence. Secondly, full-service management, hands-off ownership. For landlords who want truly passive income, we take care of everything. In addition to lease-only, there will be rent collection, maintenance, legal compliance, and tenant relationships. From move-in to move-out, we protect your investment so you can really focusing on what matters most to you. Well, after hearing what we offer, let's talk about pricing, because no one likes hidden fees. At GPS Renting, we believe in alignment. Your success is our success, and our fees reflect that. First of all, for lease-only service, you just need to help to find a tenant. We only charge 100% 1 month's rent as a tenant placement fee, and then you can take it from there. For full service management, we have 2 models. The first one is a traditional model with a leasing fee 50% of 1 month's rent, and with a lower monthly management fee of 8% and a 30% lease renewal fee. However, over 95% of our customers choose a subscription model. There's no tenant placement fee, just a simple 10% monthly management fee and a lease renewal fee. A lot of people actually ask me, why not tenant placement fee in a subscription model? Well, most property management companies charge a tenant placement fee every single time they find a new tenant. But really think about it. If I make money every time there's a turnover of the tenant, what's my real incentive? Is it to keep great tenants long term or to keep replacing them? Vacancies are costly. Vacation is also costly. Not just in lost rent, but in wear and tear costs that can be charged to previous tenants. Did you know that a small paint chip or blind that breaks from normal usage on you, the owner, not the tenant? But if we keep great tenant in place, you avoid vacancy costs, and we all win. That's why in our subscription model, we don't charge a tenant placement fee. We're only incentivized to place the right tenant and keep them happy, and in terms, make you successful. For our detailed terms, please check out our property management agreement. There's all the terms, all the fees. When we started GPS Renting in 2017, our goal has always been clear: to minimize the risk and maximize the long-term return. That's why we have created an owner benefit package. It's a bundle of service designed to protect your rental income and your property value. I personally learned firsthand how important this is when I had a tenant who paid rent on time for a year, then suddenly stopped. What followed was a 10-month eviction, 4-time court showing, over $17,000 in unpaid rent, and thousands in legal fee. The silver lining thing is that this is my own property, so I learned a lot from this to help to protect our clients' properties. It was a painful reminder that even good tenants can turn into trouble. And when that happens, landlords need real financial protection. That's why our package includes rent loss coverage and eviction cost reimbursement, so that not let paying the service when things go wrong. However, risk isn't just about tenant situation. It's also about protecting your property's long-term health. Too often, maintenance is treated like healthcare. We only go to see the doctor when something is going wrong. We want to change that mindset for your rental property. That's why our package includes annual furnace service, plumbing check, and roof gutter cleaning, helping you prevent costly repair before they happen. We offer different levels of protection. There's 3 levels based on property needs. For detailed pricing, please check our website or the owner handbook. Last but not least, we want to share something personal. The journey Brian and I took to become fathers to our 3 daughters changed our life in ways that we have never expected. It gave us a glimpse of into the world, the beauty of it, the struggle within it, and then the countless children out there who need love, who need care, and a safe place to call home. That's why we started the 100 Orphanages Program. It's a commitment to become a major donor for 100 orphanages around the world. Because while we have been lucky enough to build a loving home for our daughters, we know that so many children don't have that chance. A portion of every single dollar we earn at GPS Renting goes towards helping these children. It is not just about property management. It's about creating a real impact, one child at a time. When you work with us, you are not just protecting your investment, you're joining us to make a difference. Because at the end of the day, the greatest return on investment isn't just financial, it's a life we touch along the way. If you want to learn more or be part of this vision, you can visit 100orphanages.org. Together, we can build something bigger than business. We can build hope. Thank you for listening for so long. I'm glad you're still here. At GPS Renting, our mission is simple: to minimize the risk, maximize the long-term return, and to give back. We help you secure your tenants, reduce costly vacancies, and protect your investment with a pricing model that truly aligns your success with ours. And beyond property management, a portion of every single dollar we earn support the 100 Orphanage Program, ensuring that together, we're not just growing wealth, we're making a difference. Are you ready to protect your investment and be part of something bigger? You can get started today at gpsgetstarted.com. We look forward to serve you.